Hello friends, this is Chef Pinto here. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I came up with making a Goan dish which is called prawns curry with okra. Very famous. This curry need no introduction as we are all aware of this, and it goes very well with rice. So I'm going to make this in a very simple way. Keep all the ingredients which I have kept it ready. You also do the same thing, which will make it more better for you to cook. So let's start with this. So for that, what we need is I've taken tail-on shrimps, which is green shrimp, 300 grams of peeled tail-on shrimp. Basically, we need two red onion. One I have kept it here in order to grind it with the other ingredients, and the other one I have kept it sliced in order to saute it. So this is one red onion and the other one is here. So two red onion, coconut, half grated coconut, which is one bowl, that is basically half coconut. Okra is 10 each of okra. Then I have one tomato, slice and kept red tomato. The other dry ingredients are red chillies, which is 6 Kashmiri chilli, then 6 each of garlic, clove. Then I have dry coriander, which is 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of whole cumin. Tamarind, which is half a size of a lemon ball, and one green chilli, which I have slit and kept. So we'll grind the ingredients. First thing, we'll add coconut, turmeric powder, and all the other ingredients: red chili, garlic, tamarind, coriander, dry coriander, cumin whole, together with onion. This green chili we will add last. Now, in order to make this paste, you have to add water, enough water to make a fine paste. So let's get this in a fine paste. So guys, I have blended this one to a fine paste. Let's check this out. Check it. This is the right consistency and the smoothness. It is now become a fine into a fine paste. So let's start with the cooking process now. So friends, my pan is already hot. Add oil first in order to saute the onion. Guys, please do like, share and subscribe if you do like my channel for more exciting videos, and hit the notification bell. You'll be the first one to get it, and tell your friends and family as well for subscribing my channel. Now at this point you need to add tomato. Once you add tomato, you need to add green chili and saute it for a while. So Now at this point we will add the masala. We'll pass water through jar. You have to check the right consistency. Don't keep it too thick and don't keep it too watery. Adjust this with the water itself. And one thing I forgot to mention, when you peel the shrimps, at least 10 minutes prior to making the curry, you need to apply salt and keep it aside for at least 10 minutes, which I have already done. And now let it simmer this for a while. So friends, once this is simmering, we need to add okra, which is lady finger. Now, if you don't like lady finger, you can skip. You can make curry only with prawns without adding okra. Now we need to check the seasoning, but you have to keep in mind that we have already applied salt for the shrimps, prawns. So we'll add little to the gravy. And one more thing, if raw mangoes are available in the market, you can use raw mango instead of tamarind. That also you can do. So we'll let this simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll add prawns to this. So friends, now my okra, which is lady finger, they are already cooked by 70%. Now I'm going to add prawns to this. The main reason why I didn't add prawns earlier is by the time the prawns are cooked, the lady fingers are still not done. So it's better to always use when it is 70%. Mix it well. I check the consistency and the color. It's lovely. Check this out. I will leave this on simmer, on slow cook till the prawns are cooked, and also the lady fingers will get cooked by 100%. I check this out. This is ready now to be served. Check the consistency. This is the right consistency. Now we'll turn off the flame, and this is ready to be served now. Check this out. So guys, check this out. This is the final product. Goes very well with the white rice. Try this recipe. Follow each and every step and you can make this better at home. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe my channel. And thank you very much and God bless you all.